I collect all of the bouquets from your wedding and I transform it into a kimono that then you can have for the rest of your life. Hi, my name is Cara Marie Piazza and I am a natural dyer and artisan. I work with a series of different florists and restaurants and organic provider like spice markets and things like that to source my flowers and my dye stuffs. If I wasn't collecting these flowers, they would typically go in the garbage. Natural dyes are much better for the environment because synthetic dyes and synthetic dye houses pollute water streams. The whole life cycle of a garment, I think a lot of people don't really think about. I think your first step into becoming a more sustainable consumer is to start asking questions. Where did this come from? Who sewed my garment? How much water was used to make this garment? Don't just buy things blindly. And don't throw your garments away. Recycle them. You know, if you're gonna buy fast fashion, don't throw it in the garbage. Give it a new life. Donate it. When we had a better relationship with nature in the past, we knew this knowledge wasn't foreign to us. It's coming back now. And so that's why I teach it and I want to try and help empower people to do it themselves. These are all techniques you can do at home. And you know, you should take it back into your own hands. And the beauty of something unique that you can have for life that's going to kind of change and morph and become something else is why wouldn't you want to pass it down for generations, you know? It's something that can be worn as a piece of art. We shouldn't treat our things as though we can throw them away. When you're using natural dyes, they're also just so much better, I think, emotionally. They're anxiety reducing, you know, in a city where everything's so loud and busy all the time. Sometimes it's just nice to feel something that was dyed with nature and that was made with love.